Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Myself Saurabh Srivastava, Assistant Professor, School of Management Sciences, Varanasi. Welcome you to my channel Anusandhan and welcome you to my new series of videos related to marketing management. In this video today I am going to discuss about some important elements of marketing. These are very important for your examination point of view as well as for understanding the basic concept of the marketing. These are need, want and demand. Need is what? Need is a state of felt deprivation of some basic satisfaction. Let's start some theories related to needs started in ancient time, like it is introduced by Abraham Maslow. Maslow need hierarchy theory. For understanding the basic of needs, we need to understand the Maslow need hierarchy theory. The need is what? Need is some basic things, some basic, like air is the need, like food is the need. The Maslow hierarchy divided the need in at different level. The first one is physiological need. Physiological need like water, food, bread, butter and shutter. These kind of things is the basic need. It is required to survive. Need is what? Needs is required to survive. Air is required to survive. Food is required to survive. Water is required to survive. Some physiological need, maybe sex is the also basic need. So, these are some physiological need. After the fulfillment of the physiological need, the second one is security need. Like you have some structure for living, your home is the security need. After fulfillment of the security need, the people pursue for the some social need, love and affection get by your parents, your friends, your teachers, your brother, sister. These are some belongingness need. It is also kind of psychological need. It is also required, the social need. And after the fulfillment of that, then self-esteem need is required. What is the self-esteem need? Self-esteem need is your achievement, what you want to be. I want to become a manager in multinational company. It is our self-esteem need. After the fulfillment of that, the people is working for the self-actualization need. Beyond the self-esteem, like Mahatma Buddha, like Swami Vivekananda, like APJ Abdul Kalam. These peoples, the great peoples, are fulfilled our self-actualization need. These are the needs. From the marketing point of view, needs is for the customer, need is for survival. It is also mentioned is a state of felt deprivation of some basic satisfaction. Like food is your need, water is your need. This is the means of need. And the second thing is what? Second thing is want. Want is what? Want is what? Our desire for a specific specifier for these deeper needs. Want is not absolutely necessary. It is desire of the people. Suppose you are feeling hungry, you want some food. तो हो सकता है कि इसे हमको एक एग्जाम्पल बताते हैं जिसमें सारी बातें आ जाएंगी, नीड, वांट एंड डिमांड. मान लीजिए कि हमको भूख लगी है, हमको खाना चाहिए, तो हम कैंटीन में गए तो कैंटीन में पिज्ज़ा भी है, बर्गर भी है, समोसा भी है और रोटी सब्जी भी है, चावल दाल है, सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है. तो हम कोई भी चीज़ उसमें से खा लेंगे तो हमारा बेसिक नीड सेटिस्फाइड हो जाएगा. लेकिन जितनी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं at the canteen, the all are wants for us. Like हमको आइसक्रीम चाहिए. आइसक्रीम is what? आइसक्रीम is want. It is not basic need. But it is good for us. हमको अच्छा लगता है आइसक्रीम खाने में, लेकिन आइसक्रीम is the want, not a basic need. हमको घड़ी चाहिए. घड़ी के लिए बेसिक नीड क्या है कि हमको टाइम पता चलना चाहिए, लेकिन हमको रोलेक्स घड़ी चाहिए. रोलेक्स घड़ी चाहिए फॉर द स्टेटस सिंबल, फॉर द प्रेस्टीज, फॉर द स्टेटस सिंबल. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज वांट. बट वांट से काम नहीं चलेगा. बीइंग अ मार्केटर, you need to create demand. Demand is what? If I'm talking about the demand is what? Demand is desire plus ability to pay. Even willingness to pay is called demand. कैंटीन में अगर हमारे पास 500 रुपए जेब में है तो हम सारी चीज़ें खा सकते हैं. मतलब जो भी चीज़, कोई भी एक चीज़, दो चीज़ ऑर्डर हम कर सकते हैं. लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट योर विलिंगनेस? उस 500 रुपए में से आप अभी अपने जो भूख लगी है आपको, उसके निवारण के लिए आप कितना खर्च करना चाहते हैं? विलिंगनेस टू पे इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. आपने बोला है कि 100 रुपए तक खाएंगे, तो 100 रुपए के अंडर जितनी चीजें हैं वही आपकी डिमांड हो सकती है. एबिलिटी टू पे प्लस विलिंगनेस टू पे. एंड व्हाट इज इट इज क्लियर. नीड इज व्हाट? बेसिक फॉर द सर्वाइवल. Deprivation, it is also mentioned, deprivation of some basic satisfaction. And what about the wants? Wants is your desire. What about the demand? Demand is desire plus ability to pay is demand, and as well as willingness to pay also. So as a marketer, what you are trying to do as a marketer, try to create a demand, because need, want is not converted into the potential customer. It is what? Needs is the basic needs. कोई भी भूख लगा है तो पिज्जा क्यों खाएगा? पिज्जा is the want. Pizza is the want. Burger is the want. But after the want, try to create a demand. It means as per the customer ability to pay, you have to introduce the product in the market, because marketer must be able to create a demand for the particular product. This is all about the basics of the need, want and demand. Thank you very much. I hope आपको बातें समझ में आई होंगी. धन्यवाद.